Alright, you guys, let's say hello to one of my favorite box fans. Galaxy Turbo Stream Jet Prop Fan. Portable floor fan, quick clean safety grills front and back, jet prop for quiet air delivery, will not bend, warp, or rust. Perfect balance and blade pitch, heavy duty strap handle, motor guaranteed for 5 years. On the side of the box, this side it looks a little better. Let's see. It says the same thing and then it has the model number at the bottom. Model 5, or I'm sorry, model 3713. Now, this fan is special to me, not only because it's beautiful. I mean, geez. But I got it from a good friend of mine and a fellow collector. Absolutely mint. I don't know if he's ever ran it, but I haven't. It's been in the box since I got it from him. And I plan on keeping it that way. Because I don't like using that handle, of course. If I had more light, I can show you the windings. Look like they've never seen dust. And this fan is just absolutely mint. And it's blue. My favorite color. So I plan on keeping it that way. Look at that. This is one of the tags that came with it. That 5-year warranty on it. So you can get this thing serviced anywhere in the country. That's awesome. Alright. Let's give this thing a test run. Got a little cage rattle. I haven't tightened any screws or anything up on it. Wow, this is a 3-speed model? Okay, let's do a spin down. Pretty good to be from sitting in a box all this time. Alright, let's see if we can get a startup sound on low. Startup sound on high. Alright, thank you for watching. It's my Galaxy 3713 Turbo Stream. Y'all have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you watching.